Good morning everyone. Aishul here and I'm coming to you live from Kathmandu. It is my first day. I arrived here yesterday after lunch. Of course, first things first, coffee. After this, I'm going to get my trekking permit at the Kathmandu tourism office. And it opens at 9:30. And I thought I'll be there around 9, so I don't have to go on or queue. So, coffee first. Oh yes! My plan is to just go get my trekking permit today. I'm going to do the Everest Base Camp trek and I thought of doing it alone without any porter or a guide. Local time is 8:13 in the morning. Nepal is 2 hours and 15 or 30 minutes ahead from Philippine time, so it's 8:30, probably 9 or 10 past in the Philippines, and in Thailand it's gonna be 9. It's an hour and 15 minutes ahead. I only have to stay here for a day. I'm going to buy all the stuff that I'm going to be needed when I get to do the trekking. Down jacket, what is that? The sleeping bag, the thermal sleeping bag. It's not the ordinary sleeping bag that you're going to do because hell, I thought last night it's going to be freezing cold up in the mountain. I'm flying to Lukla tomorrow. I wish I could take the flight early in the morning so I have much time to trek farther. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes tomorrow. Bye for now. My guest house gave me this map of Kathmandu, and today where I'm going to get the trekking permit is in here, the tourism board, right? And then where am I at? It's in this area. So from here all the way down to the, where was that? Here. And I'm going to take a taxi from here to the tourism board. Normally they said when you take a taxi around Kathmandu you should pay from 300 to 500. More than 500, if it's within Kathmandu, more than 500, that's already an overprice, even for tourists. That's what, according to what I've read. And then the guest house owner also suggested me that have to range from 300 to 500. So yep, this is a single room, my room. It has 2 beds actually. Oh, it is Kathmandu.
Yeah, Kathmandu, yeah.
Right? Is it not traffic this time?
Beginning of traffic, this is the beginning of rush hour.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at the mask. You don't wear mask?
Yeah, sometime.
It's just okay for you?
Yeah. We can digest it. Yeah. From Jiban, beside the national park.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
How far is Chitwan from here by bus?
Yeah, by bus, yeah, it takes like 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours.
Drive from here, yeah. Yeah.
And you only have like a normal bus, no aircon bus?
Yeah, normal bus like 7 to 8 hours.
7 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
Are there?
Yeah, if you go by like by private cars and jeep,
Yeah.
it will be more faster. It's like 5 hours. Yeah. Yeah.
Rickshaw. How long you've been driving?
Yeah, it's about like 13 years.
13 years. Oh, great. How did you learn how to speak English?
At the school.
So most of the school here teaches English?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's great. No wonder you speak good English.
Yeah. Yeah, this month, yeah, actually, this is just finished Dasai festival.
Oh yes,
Yeah, just
I missed
finished
that.
it. Yeah, I think after 2 or 3 days, the school will be open.
2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
I see. Does it rain here in this month, like October, November, December? Does it rain?
Very little.
Little rain.
Yeah, yeah.
Aside from taxi, are there any motorcycle for rent?
Yeah, yeah. You can. It's available in Thamel.
Thamel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do they need driver's license?
Yeah, they need driver license and passport as well.
Oh, if I don't have, like, I can ride a motorbike, but I don't have any license. Will they allow me?
If you have like an international license, you can drive here. Yeah, otherwise not.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. What is this part?
This is Kamal.
Kamal.
Yeah, it's called like a city center.
Kamal. A lot of motorbikes here.
Yeah.
And I was so
More than-
surprised.
yeah.
Big bikes.
Yeah.
Really big bikes.
Yeah.
Is it usual for motorbikes to be stolen or not?
Yeah, there's some motorbike are stolen. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it always or no?
Not always, but
Okay.
Tapay ko naam ke ho?
Oh my God! Slow. What?
Yeah.
Tapay?
Tapay ko naam ke ho?
Tapay kunam keho.
Yeah,
Okay.
what's your
Tapay
name? Yeah.
kunam keho.
Yeah.
Oh, how do you say how are you? Is it?
Tapayलाई कस्तो छ?
Oh my God. Say it again.
Tapayलाई कस्तो छ?
Tapay lai kostota.
Yeah.
Tapay lai kostota.
छ.
Ta.
Yeah.
Tapay lai kostota. Tapay lai kostota.
Yeah.
Tapay lai kostota. Namaste. Daniba. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So we're here.
Yeah.
Oh
here in
wow.
Nepal Tourism Board.
This is an impressive building. It's Nepali 1,000 bill, right?
Yeah.
The highest bill.
Yeah.
400
Yeah, it's
and
there.
then
It's 600.
600. Daniba.
Okay, swagatam.
What is Swekatom? You're welcome.
Yeah.
Namaste. Is it already open? Okay, thank you. I got my entry permit for the Everest. I am waiting for the guy whom I'm going to buy my flight ticket for tomorrow. I'm gonna wait for that guy. He said 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll stay here. And look around. Yes,
Two-way or one-way?
just one way first
He
because
said one way for 180.
okay, hold on a minute. I will.
Okay.
See you.
Okay, you can stay 15 minutes.
Okay. Yes, yes. All right. So one way is $180. I think that's quite expensive. I was thinking $130 to $150. Hell, I forgot where I came from. Now I'm back at what is this? The cafe that we came for dinner last night, and I met Nan. We're going to go to Durban Square.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Buddha Stupa.
yeah.
Okay. And I'm having my second cup of coffee, cappuccino. Waiting for my breakfast. I love coffee. Back at the airport because this is departure. I'm going to buy my ticket flight to Lukla tomorrow. Let's ask over there. Oh my, glorious. We're back in Thamel, and I'm not sure if I'm flying this afternoon or tomorrow morning. I'll just have to wait for their call. Do you have like a thermal sleeping bag? Oh yes.
But we don't have 4 seasons. When you leaving?
Tomorrow?
We have 3 seasons left, -5 to -10.
Will that be enough for?
Yeah.
Oh Okay, do you have other colors?
कहाँ स्मल हुन्छ मभन्दा ठुलो छ
Light blue? Yeah. And the base layer?
थर्मल ब्रेसलेट
Yeah, how much is that?
depends we do for this one it's made in Nepal Kaplan 750 top 750 bottom
Oh, only the bottom?
only bottom is
Yeah.
750
750.
Polypro 2000 rupee
That's
why
why
I
I
you're
came
came from?
here. I'm from the Philippines. Now I'm so excited for EBC.
when you down jacket then okay
I do have a down jacket.
yeah then okay you have everything
She's not. Yeah. We actually met on the plane, and then she will be here for 10 days.
okay.
Yeah, I'll stay longer. We're checking in at Momo Hut. Yes, it's a Momo Hut, but I'm not going to have another set of Momo. Today we're gonna try Thakali, and I'm going to go for the vegetarian. Going to that, my flight is cancelled today, so I'm flying tomorrow. I'm crossing my finger to get the flight early in the morning so I could reach Monjo. Otherwise, I'll just have to walk up to Pakdang tomorrow. I'm slightly having a headache, and I'm worried when I get up higher, it's probably going to be too cold up there. I hope these stuffs that I bought today, these ones, would keep me warm enough to reach EBC. After ages of waiting, here comes our fancy food. What's the name of this? Tala. I cannot remember, but or is this a kind of a dalbat side dish? Let's see. Veggies, tomato curry, a leaf, soup, sauce. It's the cream and the rice. Oh my god, let's have this. That's a bit salty. That one? It's a bit salty. For me,
It's a bit bitter.
bitter and salty. Veggies. Curry. Definitely curry. I think there's a combination of this and that one. And how's the sauce? How are we going to mix this? Maybe we did. Fried naan.
Maybe this one and this.
Maybe. Which one should I eat? Sauce, this one or this one? Just eat it. Okay. What's this for?
There's
Garlic. Yogurt. It's a yogurt. Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you. So the white one, I was wrong. It wasn't the sauce. It's a yogurt. Chicharron. It tastes yummy. It's tasty. Oh my god, let's feast. actually bought the things that I'd been needing, from shampoos, soap, of course, cookies for the early flight tomorrow. Coming to you live for our last dinner with Nan. We're having tukpa, and this is chicken tukpa, and yours is egg tukpa. Soup, chopped carrots, vegetable, yep, and then coriander. It's the last day in Kathmandu, and it's 11. Yeah, it's already past 11. I've already repacked my stuffs. My backpack is almost half, and some of my stuffs are going to stay here in Kathmandu. Those are the things that I won't be needing up in the mountain. And today I shared the room with Nan. She actually booked for this room. And one room for 2 beds for $20.
$20.
It's really fine. I think it's worth the price. It's small but really cozy. And it's clean, right?
Yeah.
It has aircon, ceiling fan. You don't really need that both at this time. At this month, it's October, it's cold. Temperature outside is 13. Yes.
Wow.
It would go down to 11 like around 4 a.m. this morning. Okay. So I'm finally going to do my solo trek to EBC. I have my entry permit for, how much was it? 30,000, and bought extra stuffs, bowl, sleeping bag, a warmer, lower base pant, and then what else did I buy? Medicines, and some chocolates, just a bar of chocolate. I'm not really into chocolate, so those are the stuffs that I'm be carrying with me. I'm doing a solo, no porter or guide. And so I have to listen the stuff that I'm bringing, because I have to carry my rucksack all the way up to EBC. And I'm crossing my finger to reach the EBC with good health. And I rushly booked my ticket. When was that? Around 4 in the afternoon. He was a lifesaver. It was really good. It was all the way for with the return ticket. It cost $180. Good thing is that my return ticket is an open flight, so it means you can reschedule. If you cannot fly on that exact date on that ticket, you can call the agent and then they can rebook for you. You're not going to pay for extra payment, nothing more. You just have to pay once. That's the good thing about open ticket. And I think it would be better if you buy your ticket, local ticket, through an agency, because it would help you with your open ticket. The reason why I have the open ticket is that I am not sure if I'm going to trek for 13 days, maybe more than that. So you can actually reschedule your flight back from Lukla to Kathmandu. And yeah, that's all thing for tonight. And I'll be going to the airport around early morning, 4:30 is the call, and we're going to have the first flight tomorrow.